Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we have a 2006 Yamaha FZ6. This bike's got a little over 21,300 miles on it and is in great condition. It has been tipped over gently on the left-hand side, which I'll show you when we go around, but it's very minimal. And this bike is pretty much all stock other than the handlebars and the throttle lock, so we'll give you a good look at it as we go around. Comes with the taller mirrors and the taller windscreen. It's got a little bit more of an upright seating position. We will be putting a new front tire on this bike. So this has got aftermarket bars and a throttle lock on it, like a cruise control. Back end of the bike is in great shape. Rear tire got a lot of miles left on that. It's in really good shape yet. So here's where we've got a little scuffing engine cover, a little spot here on the frame, a little nick here in the gas tank. Kind of see it right there. Like I said, that's all I found on this bike, so it's pretty minimal. Just a nice, clean, perfect starter bike. It's an awesome starter bike. $21,319 is what's on it. This FZ6 will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30 to 8,000 mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping simplystreetbikes.com.